Welcome back, parents. It's Brett. Your teen has just finished their Level 2 drive. Today we brushed up on their skills from Level 1 and introduced the Level 2 parking and backing maneuvers. These are required on their driver's ed assessment and state skills test. We also showed them proper backing technique. Every time they go in reverse, we'd like them to shift their body to the rear, put their left hand at the top of the wheel, and have the right hand grabbing onto the passenger seat or center console for more leverage. For most scenarios, they should be just moving at idle speed for these maneuvers. There are 3 maneuvers from today that we'd like you to add to your daily practice. The first one is parking and starting on a hill. The main idea of this maneuver is that your car will stay secure and won't roll into the street if it gets hit or pops out of gear. Start by signaling and checking 1, 2, 3 on the right side while you pull to the side of the road. Have them check their side view mirror to see if they're close enough. This is a parking maneuver, so they'll need to be within 1 foot of the curb or edge of the road. When they're close enough, then they should put the car in neutral while they set the wheel. Then have them slowly roll the car while they quickly turn the wheel. Next, they'll secure the car by setting the parking brake and putting it in park. For uphill with the curb, they set the wheel to the left. For all other scenarios like downhill with or without a curb or uphill without a curb, they'll turn it to the right. When re-entering traffic, have them put the car into drive, release the parking brake, and then signal check 1, 2, 3. Note, anytime they re-enter traffic or change lanes, they need to check 1 in the new lane. The second maneuver to practice is parallel parking. They should pull up to the lead car and put their right signal on. Next, while reversing, they will turn the wheel all the way to the right. Once they have the angle, then they straighten out the wheel and back into the spot. When they are close to the curb, they will then turn the wheel all the way to the left to pivot the front end of the car in. Then have them pull forward and straighten out the car. It's a parking maneuver, so again, they'll have to be within 12 inches of the curb, and of course, put it in park. Then they'll re-enter traffic with the signal check 1, 2, 3. The third maneuver is backing around a corner, which simulates backing out of a driveway or parking spot. Have them signal and check 1, 2, 3 on the approach and try to get a foot away from the curb. On this maneuver, they have to be within 18 inches, so if they use the gutter line as their guide, they'll be about a foot away and won't hit the curb or get too wide. Have them go slowly and make small steering adjustments to stay close. They can check the side view mirror for help, however their main vision needs to be looking behind them. They also need to make 2 safety stops at the sidewalk and edge of the road, looking all around for pedestrians and then traffic. To help your student learn how much to turn the wheel, consider taking them to an empty parking lot and having them drive backwards in a circle or figure-8 motion. Students should practice each of these maneuvers at least 10 to 15 times until they can do them with confidence. Once your teen is ready, move to busier roads for light city driving. Remember, practice makes perfect. Stay patient and keep encouraging your students' progress. Your anxiety should be a little less the more time behind the wheel they have, and you got this. Get defensive, my friends.
Get defensive.